Welcome to Eagle Hill's Management Channel, a conversation with business leaders. I'm Melissa Jezior, founder and president of Eagle Hill Consulting. Today we're here to talk about operational excellence with Joe Rossi. Joe brings 30 years experience as an operational executive in the financial services industry. He's worked for such companies as Freddie Mac, Mellon Bank, JP Morgan, and Citigroup. In his most recent role, he was Senior Vice President of Operations and Technology at Freddie Mac. Since leaving Freddie, he's just launched Turtle Bay Advisory Services to provide operational and technology support to the mortgage and hedge fund industry. Let's hear from Joe on his experiences in operational excellence. In your experience, how have you achieved operational excellence?
Operational excellence is often a misused set of words, and I've tried in the businesses that I've worked in and the operations I've run to make it more tangible. Simply put, it has four pillars: service quality, risk management, efficiency and effectiveness, and finally, most importantly, employee engagement.
How do you create success using these four pillars?
I'm going to focus on metrics here because really you need to start with, is your program for operational excellence measurable? And measurable on many levels. It is not simply the collection of metrics, it is the collection of meaningful metrics to the organization and your customers.
Can you give us an example of how you've operationalized metrics?
There is at least one example I can think of where metrics were used to measure trade volume. And as trade volume increased, largely because customer behavior was changing, we were able to trend the increase in volume so that we can get ahead of the capacity needs of our operations. So measuring them at a point in time, understanding the trend line, and arresting potential problems that unexpected volume spikes might cause to an operation were very, very important.
How have you seen business alignment achieved?
In a previous company, we would start the year with a kickoff. It was important because it was there that we discussed the business objectives for the year, the business strategy, changes to the strategy, changes to the marketplace and the environment, changes to regulatory conditions we were working in. I think the lesson learned here was early communication, broad involvement of all constituents was very successful in achieving the objectives of the business.
What have been the biggest challenges in trying to achieve operational excellence?
I believe the biggest challenge has been employee engagement. Two important elements to the employee engagement pillar. One is a thorough communications program that reaches the employee at the desktop level. And secondly is a program of career development that is focused on training and skills development and is relevant not just at the desktop but at the marketplace and at the industry level.
What advice would you have for other executives trying to achieve operational excellence?
One of my former mentors said something pretty crisp and has had an effect on me. He said, "Inspect, don't expect." And I think whether it's implementing an accounting system, whether it's rolling out a new procedure, whether or not changing business process, it is important for an operations manager to work at a very low level of detail, understand the details. Do not forget the fundamentals. Do not forget the principles of operational excellence.
Joe, thank you so much for coming in today. I really appreciate it. It was great to hear your perspectives on operational excellence. Good luck in your new venture.
Well, thank you very much. It's been a lot of fun.
For more information on how Eagle Hill can help you solve your operational excellence challenges, visit our website at eaglehillconsulting.com.